Adaptive 3D is the world's leading provider of photoelastomers for 3D printing and mass microarchitecture of materials and manufactured goods. We have the ability to rapidly re-engineer, redesign, re-architect mass-producible materials at throughput and cost to change how some businesses provide value to their end customers. On the hardware side, we're thrilled to now be partnered with ETEC.
The machine next to me is the ETEC Xtreme 8K. This is the largest production-grade DLP system in the entire world.
What that means is we're shining UV light down onto a vat of liquid resin. That liquid resin rapidly cures layer by layer, allowing us to micro-architect high-performance end production parts in consumer, medical, and other industrial segments. The Xtreme 8K has a pixel resolution of 2 to 3 human hair widths. So what that enables us to do is have clean, crisp-looking parts and larger build envelopes.
The other great thing about the Xtreme 8K is its flexibility. It can work with everything from very hard, rigid plastic materials to very soft, flexible elastomeric materials.
Elastic Tough Rubber 90, which is one of the leading materials available on the Xtreme 8K, has a fundamentally different design than most other photopolymers.
We intentionally designed it so that it would have high strain, around 200%, high stress at break, around 20 MPa, high modulus, which gave it a Shore then of 90. The reason we did this was so that we could intelligently reduce the amount of material that was utilized in the end part while maintaining the same strength to weight ratio.
As our resolution gets better, we're using less material, which makes those parts less expensive. The Xtreme 8K makes this possible at speed, at resolution, and at end part performance.
The ETEC Xtreme 8K represents the revolution and evolution into additive manufacturing 2.0. We are no longer limited to prototyping and functional prototyping. We are now in true additive manufacturing.